Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Woodworking Vises.
Number 5.
Yoast Vises 465 6.5 Heavy-duty utility combination. Clamp force 4,950 pounds and torque rating 116 foot-pounds. Jaw width 6.5 x jaw opening 5.5 x throat depth 3.75. Pipe capacity 1/8 x 2.5 diameter. Pipe jaws are casting place. 360-degree interlocking geared swivel base with 2 lockdowns adjust the direction of the jaws for proper placement. High-strength steel bar and 30,000 C cast iron vise components.
Number 4.
Yoast Vises 14,910 high visibility. Jaw width inches 10. Jaw opening inches 10. Throat depth inches 4. Pipe capacity 7/8 2-5/8. Base swivel.
Number 3.
Yoast Tools F9WW Yoast 9 front vise. Cast iron body for durability. One diameter x10 length screw. Three-quarters diameter guide rods and 9 width x13 length vise. Handle not included. Recommended handle YWH12.
Number 2.
Yoast LV4 Home Vise 4-1/2. Home Workshop Vise. Swivel base allows rotating the vise 240 degrees for versatility. Holds 0, 6, D to 1, 85, D pipes and tubes. Jaw width 4-1/2. Jaw opening 3.
Number 1.
Yoast Vises 445 4.5 heavy-duty utility. Clamp force 3,150 pounds and torque rating 73 foot-pounds. Jaw width 4.5 x jaw opening 4 x throat depth 2.62. Pipe capacity 1/8 x2 diameter pipe jaws are cast in place. 360-degree interlocking geared swivel base with 2 lockdown adjusts. High-strength steel bar and 30,000 C cast iron vise components.